Hello everyone, I'm Suresh Machu. So in this video we are going to make a full cover up. For him we have done already a patch test. It's got successful. So we plan to go ahead and proceed with the remaining places of his body. So as you all know, this is the only way to get rid of the vitiligo, and it's the only best way to get the exact skin color back. And it's going to be the least maintenance. You don't need to worry at all about the skin pigmentation. You'll be get the exact skin pigmentation as it is. When we talk about the skin colors, we'll be matching you with the exact skin tone. For him we have done the patch test. Patch test came really good. He's very satisfied with the colors, so he wants to be proceed with the remaining places of the body. As you were all requested, you are doing patch test, and there is no much of a video for the full places of the body. So here you can see, so in this vitiligo treatment we are making a full body with the same exact skin color. As you all see, we are trying to match with the exact skin tone. So there is no side effects in this treatment, and it does not contains any of the medicines you need to be consumed, and it's one of the kind of permanent makeup, and it's not same like a tattoo. It's completely different from tattoo. It's a, we can call this as a micropigmentation needling technique, and it's not a tattoo. And many of them thinks tattoo and this both are same. It is not. You need to really understand that. As you can see, we are matching the exact skin tone. There's no much skin damage, and it's coming out more smoothly and better. Whenever we do, we'll be make one tone actual darker than your actual skin tone. When we do that, we can be able to achieve the exact output once it's got healed. That's why we mainly do that. So as you can see, we are achieving the exact skin tone, and the small patches we are covering it up and coming to the top one. And we are getting clients from all over India as well as around the world also. So we request all of you to book an appointment and then come down. When you book an appointment, our team can be helpful for you to go ahead and proceed further, and that will be helpful to reduce your waiting time also. As you all can see, now the skin pigments looking good. At the same time, it started absorbing the ink really well. There is no much of a swelling, there is no much of a bleeding. It's looking really beautiful. So if you guys have any more doubt, we have attached our contact number in the description. Please do contact us. Our team will be help you out. So contact number is there in the title bar also. You can contact them, and we have attached our Facebook, Instagram, and our website link on top of the screen. Please do check that. You'll be get much more greater informations. And if you guys have any more doubt, please do call us. Our team will be help you out to proceed further. So this treatment is going much more smoother. And many of them asks us, how long will it take, how much time duration will it take to do the patch test? It takes anywhere between half an hour to 45 minutes. So you don't need to worry at all. And it's not so much painful, and pain duration will be changes depends on the body place. If you are getting it done in fingertips or some places, then there's a small amount of pain will be there, but it's bearable. You don't need to worry about the pain so much. So the progressing was so good. It's matching his exact skin tone, and he's cooperating good. He's sitting like a rock. All goes good. And here you can see the color combinations, how the output comes. When the color combination and the output changes, artists will start to get the different skin tones. When they start to get the different skin tones, it will start to become exposure. So we cannot able to achieve the exact skin tone with this method. So it's a little more close-up shot for you guys. As you can see, it's very smooth. We are just going up to the melanin layer of your skin. As I can explain you scientifically, we are putting artificial inks on your melanin layer so that it will absorb and project it very well once it's got healed. And the healing process is so easier comparing the other treatments. It's much more easier. We'll be provide you the ointment. You need to apply that ointment daily 3 times up to the healing, not your whole life, up to the healing. Yes, so the healing will be takes approx anywhere between 3 weeks to 4 weeks of duration. Up to that you need to apply that cream. After that you are a free bird and you can go ahead. Many of them still do have a doubt how this process is so successful. Yes, basically we are using a ink which is micropigment ink. It is made specifically for the vitiligo patients. So because of the speciality of this ink, the output will be much more smoother and it will give the best output, I could say. So if you are a person looking for to do the permanent solution, then this way you can go ahead. But we always recommend all our client to go ahead with the patch test first. Once you get the patch test successful, you can go ahead and do it with the remaining places also. In that way you can achieve the successful result. So the process is going quite well and it's giving a much more great output. The exact skin color, as you all know, there are a lot of treatments available in the market. As you can see, Siddha, Ayurveda, Unani, lot of stuffs are available. But comparing all those things, this is the most least maintenance, as well as the percentage of output will be higher on the side. For example, this vitiligo success rate will be comes from approximately 80 to 90%. As you are seeing, this client's already got it done. It's been 3 months, but 3 months the output was so good. So that's why we are going to proceed again. So it's almost a whole leg area we are doing it. You can clearly see many of them thinks and many of them get scared whether it's going to be bleeding or it's going to be painful or something. No, it is not. It's going to be much more smoother than you think. As you all seeing, there's no much of a bleeding, much of a swelling. It's a smooth process, right? The same way it works. You don't have to worry about the much. The only thing is, whenever the process happens in the sensitive places, then in that places there are chances of small pain level will be get increased. Apart from that, you don't need to worry about at all. I would highly recommend before coming for the treatment, have a very good food and have a good rest and sleep. If you do not have a good sleep and if you do not had a good food, there are chances you might feel more weak and you may get more painful also. So process is almost gonna get over. We are covering the whole leg patch. Actually, it's been a 2-day session. One day we were covering the one whole leg. Another day we are going to cover the another leg. So that's how this process is happening now. As I said you earlier, it's more of like a smooth process and it gives the great output. The result was so good and so smooth. If you guys have any more doubt, please do contact us. Our contact number is in the description, and we'll be make a comment of our contact number and we'll be pin it on the top. You can go through that once. You'll get a much more clear idea.